Okay, this is Coach Hyde. Give y'all a little bit of some of my homeland music, and this is my favorite truck. Remember I showed y'all on the dashboard place value my favorite 66 Chevy pickup. Its name is Trigger. Pretty cool, huh? Well, we're going to get into the operations with decimals 4. This is a fourth installment about doing the 4 basic operations with decimals. Today we're going to look at estimation. Estimation means a close guess of the actual value, usually with some rounding and calculating. Estimation can be used when an exact answer is not needed, especially when checking for reasonableness of a solution. Rounding is used to make estimates. We're going to work some examples, and I want you to follow along and work the problems and write the steps to estimating on the handout that you have. Okay, estimating with adding. This is an example. Step 1, what you're going to do is you are going to rewrite and round the rounded number to the 1. So you're looking at this number. This is the ones place. The 4 is the ones place. You're going to look to the number to the right. And remember how I showed you how to round? You are to box the 4 and draw a line to the 4. You're going to look at 5. If it's 5 or more, you'll pump it up. But since it is not 5, it will stay 14. Okay, we'll move on to the next number, or which will be the second step. You're going to rewrite the rounded number to the ones place. So you should box this number 1, draw a line to number 5. If it's 5 or more, you'll pump it up. So since 5 is 5, then you will pump it up. So it will become a 2. And then you have one more number. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to rewrite the rounded number to the ones place. Here's the 1. You should be boxing it. Boxing the number and drawing your line to the 2. And since it's less than 2, it will stay 1. So you have 14 plus 2 plus 1. Now then you'll solve it. And when you add them out, it should come out to 17. So this is the estimated sum is 17. You're going to do pretty much the same thing with the subtraction. Here's the subtraction problem. 39.88 minus 21.45. I'm going to rewrite the rounded number to the tens place. So this is a tens place. I'm going to look at the next number. You should be boxing that number. And you're going to draw an arrow to the 9. 5 or more. Yes. Pump it up. And it will become a 40. You see that? It will become a 40. You have 21. 21.45. You're going to rewrite the rounded number to the tens. And since this is a 1, it's less than 5. So it will be truncated and become a 20. Okay. Once you get to this point, then you just subtract. You'll solve it, and your estimated difference is 20. 40 minus 20 equals 20. And that's for subtracting. Okay, now we're going to look at multiplication. Multiplication is 44.35 times 8.74. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to rewrite the rounded number to the nearest 10. This 4 is in the tens place. I'm going to box it. You should be boxing this. You're going to draw your number to the 4. It is 5. No, it's not 5. So you will truncate that, make all these zeros, and you carry it over. So you should have 40. You have 8.74. You're going to rewrite the rounded number to the nearest ones place. This is the 8 is in the ones place. If you don't understand when I talk about ones place, you need to take a look back again at the dashboard place value video. That's my deal trigger, my truck trigger. So number 1, it's in the ones place. I gotta box it. Draw a line to the 7. The 7, it is more than 5. So since it's more than 5, I'm gonna pump it up. So that becomes a 9. So now I got 40 times 9. Now you're gonna calculate it. You know you're gonna have a 0. 9 times 4 equals 36. So it's 360. So the estimated product is 360. Okay, the last one. I'm going to work one out for division. Evenly. Okay, we could have went and tried 8, 16, 24. We could have tried 240, but it's not the closest to 188. The closest number is 160. So we chose 160. So then you solve it. 160 divided by 8 equals 20. So the estimated quotient is 20. And make sure that you fill out your handout. On the handout, you should have the first problems are written out, and you should have these boxes. You're going to fill in these here boxes. Okay, you're doing the same thing with the division. Thank you.